On the way to Milford Sound. Straight out of Lord of the Rings. Tranquil Forest this is. So on the way to Milford Sound, we've got to the Homer Tunnel. We've got a 5-minute wait to get through there. That takes you through the mountain, which we're completely surrounded in fog. It's so creepy. So me and Lauren are going to go for a walk up here somewhere, and then come back and have some lunch, some omelette, and then head through there. Long way back to the car. On my own now, Lauren's back there. Not long to go.
We're going into this terrifying tunnel.
Through the mountain, straight out the other side. Got a 5-minute wait so we can actually get in it. It's gonna be fun. Finally made it to Milford Sound.
Milford Sound. I think Milford Sound.
I think this guy's having a hard time with the flyers. So we're trying to make it through this pass through the mountains today, and we keep stopping every half an hour for waterfalls. It's all beautiful.
Beautiful.
And now we're going to get there dark again in the campsite and get eaten again by sandflies.
Look from the creek falls. It's a very cold day. It's been raining all night, the campervan's broke. But we're going to see the glaciers.
Going to see the flat glaciers in the cold. Made it to the top. Lauren, you a bit tired? There is Fox Glacier. A nice wet day. Now we got to go all the way back.
Get a video.
Yeah. Currently got 3 days so far of this torrential rain,
And
thunder and lightning, wind. So we're battling up the west coast, can't see anything really. The ocean looks pretty cool there. We're on the way to Nelson and we've hit some roadworks and they're not moving out of the way for anyone. So I think we've got a long wait.
I'm bored now, and the rain every day, and my toes are wet. I had to hang up my socks to dry for school. I just want to wear my jammies. Just got to a little bit of Abel Tasman. It's really pretty. Liz has just parked up to make some breakfast.
Beautiful sunny New Zealand again. How's the view?
It's beautiful.
So we're going to go for a little walk around.
We've been walking around.
We're walking for a couple of hours now. And we're going to find a nice little beach to chill on, have a swim. It's a nice day today. It's about 20 degrees or so. A bit better than yesterday in the horrible rain.
3 days of rain.
3 days of rain. So we're going to make the most of it. Beach day.
Liz is brave in the freezing cold water.
It's refreshing and good. Feels like Asia, it looks like Asia. When you get in the water, it's definitely not Asia. Beer o'clock, 12:30 in the afternoon.
We had to have them because we need to charge our phones.
So because our campervan's charger doesn't work, we can't charge anything in the camper, so we have to keep going to bars and restaurants and using their power. So we're now in Picton. We made our way all the way up the coast, and tomorrow we're going to go over to Wellington on the ferry. Today's going to be a chilling day. Going to find a campsite and then get the ferry over to Wellington. We have found our campsite for the night. We're the only ones here. And we're going to park up here, right in front of the beach. Lauren's getting a bit of food on. What are you cooking, Lauren?
Failures.
Failures. Lauren's cooking failures. We'll chill here and watch some sunset then.
We're going on to the ferry to the North Island.
Here comes the ferry.
We're at a nice campsite tonight. We've come here early and we're having a barbecue. Well, just sausages.
Cooking and grilling. Dinner time. Soup and bread. Chef Lauren. How's it, Chef Lauren?
Huh?
How's things, Chef Lauren? Lauren's having a bad time because she's got chicken in a tomato soup because she cooked mine first. Tonight we're going to chill and have some soup and watch some TV on our little TV we have here. We're watching Gordon Ramsay. Last night in the campervan today. We're getting a new one in 2 days though. We're watching Lord of the Rings again. I'm very tired. This is our new camper, 2 weeks. This is our new camper for 2 weeks. And now it's raining. Goodness sake. Had enough. Take me to Fiji. Had enough.
We can't get out the damn van. Every single time we go to do something, it rains. Had enough. We have failed Travelbub. We haven't been recording all week. We've had a few issues with our old campervan. So we've been in Wellington for the past week, just chilling out really. We're just staying in a hostel for a few days. And now we have our new shiny one. It's very big. And we're going to record again.
Yeah. Wellington is awesome. Could easily spend a week there. We've got places to go and sheep to see. And I'm about to crash the damn car. Good morning. We woke up this morning in the campsite to this nice view here. Right by the river. What more do you want in the morning than that? Right next to our van, only people here. We've reached Hookah Falls.
Yesterday we found a river with hot springs in it and it's boiling hot, so we're going back there today for free. Nice warm bath.